Okay, so now I want to basically map my local path, which is my home workspace, to a path inside the pod, which in this case is room workspace. So this is a very simple pod, using this image BusyBox. And I want to see whether this host path works or not. In case you see it doesn't work, just create a new folder, because sometimes I see that, this mapping get corrupted and then you cannot actually map the same folder no matter what. It just is sensitive to that specific path, and so create a new one in sub workspace, create a new one and map it. Okay, so I'm just going to deploy that. For that, I created a Jupyter notebook, which, as you can see here, I'm going to run that. Okay, so it says created. Then I go to Kubernetes extension, and okay, this is the old one, and I click on that. You see it's created. I right click on that. So right click, go to terminal. Okay, so that's the terminal. Then I go to workspace. CD, yeah, I have to go to CD because I mapped it to the root. Then I go to workspace, and you see that this is all exactly, it's the same one. So for example, if I say touch test 1, if I go back to my, basically my, this is my workspace, I should see test 1 here. As you can see, I can see it here. So anything I type here or edit here will be reflected in the workspace. So that means that we can actually, work with the same files inside that. So I can create, a pod specifically for specific development, and basically, use the same file as my host.